If you're looking to sculpt your face and say goodbye to that pesky face fat, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to eliminate face fat. Stick around till the end for some amazing tips that will help you achieve a slimmer, more defined face. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's show you how to eliminate face fat. Get rid of it! First things first, let's understand what face fat is. Face fat, or subcutaneous fat, is the layer of fat beneath your skin. This fat can accumulate due to various factors like genetics, poor diet, lack of exercise, and even stress. While you can't target fat loss in just one area of your body, you can reduce overall body fat, which in turn helps reduce face fat. Hydration is key. Step 1 in your journey to eliminating face fat is hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins from your body and reduces bloating, which can make your face appear slimmer. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. A study conducted by the University of Michigan in 2013 found that proper hydration can boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss. So, keep that water bottle handy. Balanced diet. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is crucial for reducing overall body fat, including face fat. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt intake, as these can cause water retention and bloating. A study published by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health in 2015 emphasized the importance of a balanced diet in maintaining a healthy weight. If you want to dig deep into eating right for weight loss, check out the playlist that will show up on your screen right about now. It has our videos that focus on what to eat, when to eat them, and more for effective weight loss. Facial exercises. Now, let's talk about facial exercises. Yes, you heard that right. Just like you exercise your body, you can exercise your face to tone those muscles and reduce fat. Here are a few exercises to get you started. Cheek puff exercise. Puff out your cheeks and shift the air from one cheek to the other. Repeat for 30 seconds. Jaw release. With your lips closed, move your jaw as if you're chewing. Breathe in and out through your nose. Do this for 30 seconds. Fish face. Suck in your cheeks and lips to make a fish face. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat 5 times. According to a 2014 study from Northwestern University, facial exercises can help improve facial appearance and reduce signs of aging. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardio is essential for burning overall body fat. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of cardio exercises like running, cycling, or brisk walking into your daily routine. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week. This helps reduce overall body fat, including face fat. To get in-depth details on cardio, watch this video. Does cardio help you lose weight? The link should show up on your screen right about now. Get enough sleep. Sleep is often overlooked but is vital for weight loss and reducing face fat. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain and increased fat storage, including in your face. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. The National Sleep Foundation highlights that adequate sleep helps regulate hunger hormones and supports weight loss efforts. To get in-depth details on the effect of sleep deprivation on weight loss, watch the video that will show up on your screen right about now. Reduce alcohol consumption. Alcohol can cause dehydration and bloating, making your face appear puffier. Reducing alcohol intake can help minimize these effects. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that alcohol consumption can lead to weight gain and fat accumulation. Manage stress. Stress can lead to weight gain and increased fat storage, including in your face. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. A study by the American Psychological Association in 2017 showed that stress management can positively impact weight loss. By following these steps, staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, doing facial exercises, engaging in regular cardio, getting enough sleep, reducing alcohol intake, and managing stress, you can effectively eliminate face fat and achieve a more sculpted look. Remember, consistency is key, and results won't happen overnight. Stay patient and stay committed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.